Hello, good evening students, welcome back. So in this video is for class 9 students, chapter number 2, exercise 2.2. So here we have to find zeros of the polynomial. Let us see an example, then only we will proceed for exercise 2.2, zeros of the polynomial. Understand the technique. Very easy chapter, very interesting. So suppose you are given a polynomial 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So how to find 0? How to find 0? So here if I put px equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So p x must be 0 for the value of x. At what value of x, px will become 0, that is only known as zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so let us check, because we don't have any values to prove that this number becomes 0. So we have, suppose let us take p1, x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, it becomes p into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 5 1s are into 1, that is 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 4. So it is not the 0 of the polynomial. At x equal to 1, px is not equal to 0, hence x equal to 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now if we put here 0, if we put p0 x at x equal to 0, 5 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2. So these terms are cancelled because these are 0. What is left? Minus 2. So at x equal to 1, px not equal to 0, hence x at 0 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now let us check for minus 1. P minus 1, so it becomes 5 to the power minus 1 cube minus 2 into x to minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2. So it becomes minus 5 minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2. Okay. So here also it does not becomes minus 7 minus 5, that is plus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 minus 12. At x equal to minus 1, px not equal to 0, hence at x equal to minus 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. So here we could not find the value of the polynomial. Let us take for another example. So at px it must be equal to 0, then only it will be, we can say that it is the 0 of the polynomial. So let us check px equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. So p1 will give you 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 5 minus 3 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So at x equal to 1, px not equal to 0, hence x equal to 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now let us check another example. The example number 3, check whether -2 and +2 are zeros of the polynomial. So here x plus 2 is given, polynomial is given, solution polynomial px is given as x plus 2. So we have to check for -2. P minus 2 is equal to -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. At x equal to -2, px equal to 0. Hence it is the 0 of the polynomial. But again we have to check for -2. P 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. At x equal to 2, px not equal to 0. Hence it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, note it down and understand. I think you have understood this property. Now let us come to exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x plus 3. Number 1, px is given as 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at number 1 x equal to 0, number 2 x equal to -1, number 3 x equal to 2. We are just to find the value, not to prove that it is the 0 of the polynomial. So at p 0, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square, just replace at 0 at the place of x plus 3. So this term is 0, this term is 0. What is left? 3. At p0 is equal to 3. At p is equal to -1 is equal to 5 into -1 minus 4 into -1 square plus 3. This will give you -5, and 4 into -1 square is -1 square is 1. So -4 into 1 is -4 plus 3 minus 5, minus will give you plus, bigger number, smaller number, 9. The symbol will be a bigger number, that is minus. So the answer is -9. Understand this property properly. Plus 3. Again minus plus minus bigger number upward, smaller number downward. 9 minus 3 is 6. The symbol will be of the bigger number, and the big symbol of bigger number is minus. So it will be minus 6. At x equal to 2, let us check px equal to p2 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3 equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3 plus minus a minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. This was your answer. So for the next number 2, I will solve 1 and rest will be left for you all to solve. Take a screenshot of that. Next number 2. Find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following. Number 1, Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So I will solve only 1. Rest you will solve. So first P0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square cancel. Only 1 is left. Next is P1. That is 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 1. That is answer is 1. Next for P2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 2 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Actually we did minus first, but actually we have to do this one first. Or the actual technique is 4 minus plus a minus plus equal to minus bigger number smaller number. 2 minus 1 is 1. The symbol will be of bigger number, that is minus. That is minus 1 is equal to 3. This is the actual technique we have to solve. So we really misuse this technique, and in simple exams we do the sums in wrong way. Okay, so let us see number 3, the third one. Verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So here, if px equal to 0, putting the value of x whatever is given or y whatever is given, if you find p of x is equal to 0, then yes, it is the polynomial, otherwise not. Number 3, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Number 1, px equal to 3x plus 1 at x equal to minus 1 by 3. So let us check this. P minus 1 by 3 equal to 3. In place of x, just replace it, minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, at x equal to minus 1 by 3, px equal to 0, and hence it is 0 of the polynomial. Rest are similar, so I think you can do it. If you cannot, just text me or WhatsApp me. I will solve it and give you in the video or in WhatsApp. Next, find the zero of the polynomial. So how to find the zero of the polynomial? This is one of the interesting topic. So find the zero of the polynomial. Number 1, px equal to x plus 5. So in place of px put 0 equal to x plus 5. Reverse it, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5. So the 0 is 0 of the polynomial. The 0 of the polynomial px equal to minus 5. Okay. Minus 5. Clear? Understood? Next one. One more we'll do, then it's the end. Px equal to 3x minus 2. Number 4. Or we do this one. Px equal to cx. Number 7 we do. Px equal to c x plus d. So take this 0, cx plus d, reverse it, cx plus d is equal to 0. So d will go that side, it will become 0 minus d, that is minus d, and x is equal to minus d by c. So I hope you all have understood this, and thank you. And the next exercise, the remainder theorem, will do in the next topic, in the next video. Okay, thank you.